Today we are going to make a hydraulic JCB or excavator with cardboard. So let's start. First of all, you need some cardboard. Cut them in these shapes. Take those pieces of cardboards and attach them like this with toothpicks. You can measure the space between them with a syringe. Glue them with super glue.
We won't forget your names. The tide is high, say goodbye, we set it sail. And all those midnight secrets told, we'll take them to the grave. So when I'm gone,
your structure is almost ready.
I'll be right there, close to the sun. Keep holding on, keep holding on. And I'll be right there, close to the sun.
Now make a hole like this. Now take another piece of cardboard. Place a pencil battery on it and glue it. This is the base of the structure. Now you need some syringe. And some ties also. Tie them with the syringe like this.
So when I'm gone, I'll be right there, close to the sun. Keep holding on, keep holding on. And I'll be right there, close to the sun.
Do this with all syringe. And also make a hole on it.
Let's sing a song.
Now attach them with our main structure with toothpicks.
Why don't you sing along, my friend? For it's our last refrain. Forever young, ever strong, ever brave. Memories like this never end. No, they don't fade away. So when I'm gone, oh, when I'm gone, I'll be right there, close to the sun. Keep holding on, keep holding on. And I'll be right there,
Now cut a can like this and cut some cardboard in its shape.
close to the sun. Close to the sun. Here's to the ones who let shine through the rain, the ones who stood for something more. We won't forget your names.
Add 2 pieces of ice cream stick to attach the syringe.
We
Now take another piece of cardboard and some ice cream stick to make the remote.
And I'll be right there, close to the sun, close to the sun. Close to the sun. Keep holding on, keep holding on. And I'll be right there, close to the sun, close to the sun.
Now attach a pipe with each syringe.
Let's sing a song full of hope, full of pain. Why
Fill them
don't
with
you
some
sing
colored water.
along, my friend, for it's our last refrain. Forever young, ever strong, ever brave.
Now attach them with the main structure syringes.
Memories never end. No, they don't fade away. So when I'm gone,
And your excavator is ready to be tested.
I'll be right there, close to the sun. Keep holding on, keep holding on.
Well, I'm not a good driver, but it's working very properly.
Close to the sun, close to the sun.
Thanks for watching.